type of pudding from the Indian subcontinent made by boiling milk, sugar and rice. Although rice may be substituted with one of the following: bulgur wheat, tapioca, vermicelli. Now let's check out the recipe. Rinse the rice until water turns clear. Then soak the rice in enough water for 20 to 30 minutes, or else you can use pressured cooked rice. Add the milk to the pan and stir well. Set heat to the medium-high. Let the milk come to a boil. This will take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the milk has come to the boil, lower the heat to low. Add the soaked and drained rice. Also, add a pinch of cardamom powder. Stir in between so that milk does not get stuck to the bottom of the pan. As this is a quarantine recipe, I'm not gonna add extra nuts. If you wish to add, absolutely go for it. Now add powdered sugar. Make sure if you don't have cardamom powder, grind the cardamom pods with sugar. Let the kheer cook for around 25 minutes on low heat. Stir every 2 minutes or so. The milk will reduce considerably after 25 minutes and the kheer would be look thick and the rice will be completely cooked. Also, please do check the description box to get to know the authentic and traditional recipe. Until the next time, stay tuned with us, enjoy with us, style with us.